Hi, my name is Rupesh.
And I'm Catherine.
We want to invite you to take our upcoming workshops on the 5 elements. The goal of these workshops is professional development through personal transformation. So what do I mean by personal transformation? We all get stuck from time to time. Sometimes that stuckness shows up as a physical symptom, like chronic low back pain or digestive issues. Sometimes it's emotional, a repressed grief over lost dreams or loved ones that robs us of our joy. Sometimes it's psychological. Deep down inside, there are unconscious core beliefs like, it's not okay to say no, or I can't ask others for what I need. Sometimes the stuckness is spiritual, feeling disconnected from life's purpose, from nature, or the cosmic flow. In Chinese medicine, mind, body, and spirit are not separate. The map of the 5 elements is a beautiful and profound system that encompasses all of these realms. It describes how energy transforms out of stuckness into balance. These workshops are all about helping you have an embodied understanding of the 5 elements. Your personal transformation will make you a better healer. When we are in balance as practitioners, we have access to our inner knowledge, our skillful action, and our intuition, which helps our clients. So what do I mean by an embodied understanding? Modern day acupuncture school is highly analytical. You study the 5 elements, you memorize the corresponding seasons, organ systems, sounds, and colors, etc., and then tucked it into your brain. This information doesn't necessarily translate into how to live or how to shift energy that might be stuck or deficient. In Qigong and yoga, we get a taste of the texture of these energies, but it is not necessarily linked with all that great information stored in your brain. That's what we'll be doing in these workshops, enhancing your embodied understanding of the 5 elements. And I will teach 5 element associations not covered in acupuncture school, like developmental psychology, the functional expression of the emotions, and psychospiritual issues associated with each element. We will combine didactic lectures with meditations, experiential exercises, and mindfulness, and gentle yoga led by Catherine.
Yeah, and these practices are going to be accessible to seasoned yogis and complete beginners. Each weekend I'll design a sequence based on the meridian system that we're working on.
And these workshops are for practitioners of Chinese medicine or other energy medicine practitioners familiar with the 5 elements. If you are not a practitioner but feel drawn to these workshops, give me a call and we'll talk about if it's a good fit. To be clear, this is not 5 element acupuncture. You can keep doing whatever style of acupuncture you employ and use this information to deepen what you already do. I'm applying for general acupuncture CE credits in February, so fingers crossed you will be personally enriched, and you can also check off those professional boxes as well. These workshops will be held in North Austin at the beautiful Luna Studio at Soul Healing and Wellness. Look below for all the dates and costs. You can attend each weekend separately, or if you sign up for them all as a package, you get a discount. Thanks, and give me a call if you have any questions.
I look forward to practicing with you.